Aoyin Candle was founded in the year 2005. We have been devoted ourselves to candle research and innovation for so many years. Our mind is to produce best candle in China and meet demand for every consumer. Today, we have developed into one of the biggest candle manufacturers in China. Our main products include white candle, tealight candle, LED candle, glass candle, and pillar candle. All products are without any harm ingredient to body health. We are the key protected enterprises for local government and continuously focus on environmental protection. In the year 2019, we are listed into positively production enterprise by government. Our brand Aoyin enjoys a high reputation overseas. To ensure a stable and high-quality delivery, Aoyin has a whole strict control system. We only choose the raw material with quality guarantee, like 58 Kunlun brand paraffin wax, Teco brand B1825 stearic acid. With our own matching technology, we can assure candles pure white, no impurity, strong tensile, not bent or discolored during storage. All candles use 100% cotton wick to ensure high brightness and burn without tears, smoke, or odor. We have a very strong quality control team, and we thank them for their efforts to ensure that each candle meets market demand. They respect every customer. Our candles sold all over the world, mostly into Africa, Middle East, Europe, Australia, Southeast Asia, and so on. We warmly welcome every partner to join us and develop more and more market-wide joint effort.